The Purple Flamingo Story by Rachel Gillette.
Hi. Okay. Shh. Don't let little kids hear this. Okay. There once was this family. Oh, wait. Let me start at the beginning. So, when flamingos are ready to mate, then they turn pink. And if they're not ready to mate, then they're white. Okay. Now that we got that out of the way. The Purple Flamingo Story. There once was this family of flamingos, and they had a little son, and he was born pink, and he could never turn white. He just pink. So he just, right when he came out of the mother's womb, he said "Murr, murr." That was his first word. His first word was "murr," which is the mating call for a male, and the female mating call is "Chasik, chasik." All right. Anyway, where was I in my story? Okay, so he would just go around town, "Murr, murr," over and over again, "Murr." Okay, so then he could get no responses. He could get no chasiks from cute little females because all the adult females didn't want to chasik him because he was too young. And the young females, they were too young to mate. They couldn't do anything about it. So he just "Murr, murr, murr" his whole life. And it was so sad. And when he was about 18 years old, then this poor little flamingo turned purple! It was so sad because he just kept saying "murr" over and over again. "Murr, murr, 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 murr." And his insides kind of exploded, but not all the way, but kind of. Not enough for him to die, but they exploded, and he turned purple, and it was
Devastating.
very devastating. Very devastating. And he could never turn pink again. He was purple. But the bad thing is he just kept saying "murr" over and over again, even though he was purple. And when he got older and older and older, the flamingos that grew up did not want to be with him because he was purple, and he kept saying "murr," and they just were tired of him, and nobody wanted to be his friend, so he killed himself. The end.